Welcome to Singapore Cloud Forest! For today's video, we are going to visit one of the famous attractions here in Singapore, the Cloud Forest. You can purchase your tickets via Klook and don't forget to use our discount code Nagia Travels Klook. If you have your QR code, you can skip the ticketing line and enter the Cloud Forest directly by scanning the QR code. As you enter, you'll be captivated by the Cloud Mountain and the 30-meter waterfall. The Cloud Forest houses a diverse collection of plant species including orchids, ferns, begonias, and carnivorous plants. Cloud Forest maintains a temperature range of 23 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius during the day and 15 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius at night. The conservatory serves as an educational resource, raising awareness about the importance of conserving cloud forests and biodiversity. The cloud forest uses sustainable energy sources, including a biomass boiler and a chilled water system to minimize its carbon footprint. The cloud effect is created using an automated misting system that keeps the environment cool and humid. The cloud forest is divided into several zones such as the Lost World, Cloud Walk, Treetop Walk, Crystal Mountain, and the Secret Garden. The place emphasizes the conservation of biodiversity by housing rare and endangered plant species. This is definitely one of our favorite attractions in Singapore. We also learned about the potential impacts of climate change if no action is taken to prevent it. It is crucial that we each contribute to preserving the environment for our future generations. Cloud Forest is an essential activity to add to your bucket list for your trip to Singapore. Go travel! You deserve it! Follow us for more videos! Bye!